Students, today we will cover the chapter His First Flight, this is the first part of the story from the two stories about flying from the book First Flight of Class 10. Now I will be giving the introduction of the chapter. I'll be giving you the detailed summary of the chapter and at the same time the theme, the message that we learn from this particular chapter. The story First Flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty, is an account of a young seagull who is afraid to fly. He believes that his wings would not support him. Despite his younger siblings flying fearlessly with much shorter wings, he could not muster up the courage to do the same. He was punished to stay hungry if he did not try by his family. Thus, it was his mother that compelled him to fly by using food as a strap. This happened in the end. The lesson reflects how one hesitates to take the first step and that fear is all in the mind. Hence, we should trust our abilities because the fear of suffering is worse than the suffering itself. The story is about a young seagull who has learned to fly. Unlike his younger brothers and sisters, he is too afraid to fly. When all of them went for flying for the first time near the edge of the sea, all of them except him succeeded. He could not trust his wings, he got terrified by the wide sea and got convinced that he could never fly. As a result, he was ashamed and disheartened that he was the only one who could not fly. His entire family could fly, and thus he went inside the ledge where usually he slept. The young seagull became sad when he saw his parents perfecting his younger siblings in the art of flying. His parents scold and taunt him for not even trying. They even call him a coward. They encourage him to at least try and also threaten him to leave him alone and hungry if he does not learn to fly. The following day, he is left in isolation, and upon feeling hungry, he tries to seek the attention of his family members. Only his mother, who is withering a fish in an attempt to eat it, notices his son's plight. He looked tired and famished. He was very hungry. He wanted food to eat to gain some energy. The young seagull cries out of starvation, hoping his mother would help. On seeing his mother come to him with the fish in its mouth, he gets excited. But his mother ignores him, takes the fish near his mouth, but when he notices that his mother has stopped midway, he gets maddened out of hunger and takes a dive at the fish, forgetting for a moment that he is afraid to fly. He got so excited that he fell as soon as he tried. For a moment he was in shock and stood still out of terror. He was in the air. But all this lasted only for a moment, and soon his feathers opened as he flew. He could feel the wind against his stomach and his wings. He could feel himself cutting through the air. He was not afraid anymore. He was just a bit nervous, but then his mother accompanied him. The whole family screamed out of excitement and joy. Everybody was overjoyed seeing him fly, thus celebrating his victory over fear. Once he overcame his fear, he forgot that he was once afraid of flying. He did all those things he once feared. He flew straight over the sea and could see the greenery and the mountains beneath him. He screamed out of joy as he enjoyed and loved flying. When he landed, his family landed along with him as a gesture that they were proud of his feat. They were screaming and shouting in excitement in their high-pitched voices. He then went into the sea where at first he got scared and thus panicked. He had never been to the sea before. He tried escaping but got tired and weak because of hunger. Thus, when he calmed down, he started floating in the sea he was once afraid of. His family was celebrating in excitement and offered him food as praise. Finally, he had overcome his fear and had made his first flight. So, what is the theme? What message do we learn from this particular chapter? His first flight highlights the importance of independence, self-belief, and confidence, and the need for motivation to attain goals. Necessity is always the mother of invention, but it sometimes needs an initial spark from outside. The story is also a metaphorical assertion that everyone needs to be independent even while staying involved in family life. But the joy of independence is not meant for cowards. From an educator's point of view, his first flight shows how to tactfully impart motivation. The parents of the seagull are the example how they tried to cajole and threaten him in different ways, but to no avail. The mother knew well that the trick was to arouse his need of hunger, and she eventually lures him out with food, to his momentary aura, but later great joy. In fact, the mother seemed to be well aware of the Chinese proverb, give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. As in the words of Franklin D. Roosevelt, the only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Okay, students, I hope you understood the chapter. Happy learning. Please do share, subscribe, or comment on the video and like it. Thank you.